Alright, now we're back. Alright, yeah, I wanted to do this because, you know, it's cool that the stock market is open at the same time as these day games. So I just wanted to see if we can do some trading today. Ooh, this looks like Detroit might score. Are they up? I'll just go through. So here in the dashboard we have all the live games. They're all baseball right now. Basketball come on later. So we'll just start to see if we see anything. This looks like could be a possible positive divergence here. Let's see. Yeah, we have a slight divergence there. Who's up for Detroit? 5, 6, 7. All right, I'll give this one a little more time, but this looks like it's kind of wedging out a little bit. Maybe something like that. So we'll come back to that and see what we got on here. Don't really see much. Nothing here. 0, 0. Nothing much here. Sometimes we need a little bit of time for things to develop. So this game has the most action here. Now this does look like it's coiling up for a move. Braves are up right now. And on third, one out. A, B, C, A, B. Maybe something like this. If this doesn't play out. Could be. See what I'm seeing here. Maybe this was A, B. We're going to see C down. Let's see how this plays out. This is 1, 2. That's if Atlanta scores. It's going to turn down. The game signal will turn down. You can expand this out and stuff. See? I like it tighter. Maybe like that. That's pretty good. Just keeps it so that you can kind of see the patterns a little bit better. Let's see if we see our AI agents do anything. Oh, Detroit, yeah, it's telling us Detroit might score. There's the RBI. And we have, that's T. Rose. Sterling's keeping an eye on Detroit. Let's see here. I kind of like to look for teams that have a high OPS. OPS is slugging and on base percentage. And I'm looking through these teams that kind of know. Washington is one of them, so they may score first here. Houston and Baltimore. This is going to be a good game, so hopefully we start to see some action here. Let's see if there's anything I see here. Mac Diaz hasn't even started yet. Wow, we're getting another positive divergence here. It's really starting to tighten up. The wedge is intact. You guys see the wedge there? It's beautiful. I think Detroit might score next inning. I'm going to pull up some more stuff and then I'll come right back. Okay, I'm back. I just wanted to set up my DraftKings and everything, but here we go. So there was a leadoff single, and the wedge now is really tightening up. What are the odds here? Oh wow, 325. I'm gonna take that. Not letting me make a bet. Plus 350, so. Oh wow. Two down. A man on second, 2 outs. They had a chance, but the batting order I always like to look. And we had 5-6, so we have the not the best part of the batting order up, so we may need one more inning on this one. But this is still looking really good. The odds aren't giving up on Detroit, is what this is telling me. This is still looking really good. We got the positive divergence there. Oh, they got them all. So we'll try again next inning as long as this all looks good in here. So far, so good. Still waiting for a run here in the Orioles game. Can't really make a call, but we got Houston 2-3-4 up, so that could be good. See, I look at this here, and this ranks all the teams. So Pittsburgh, let's go look at Pittsburgh. See if they can. Pittsburgh is ranked 19, so I'll stay away from that game. This game is not for me. Where's St. Louis? So maybe we'll set some favorites up. Where's St. Louis? That might be a little better, up towards the top a little. Oh, they're number 9. Okay. We're gonna start to bring this in. Like we have an injured reserve here. Brings in all the injured reserve. We're gonna have the OPS rankings and then also the standings in the league. So you can kind of use that fundamental data along with the technicals to kind of make decisions. So St. Louis is good. Let's see, Colorado versus Cincinnati. Getting a little bit of movement here. Colorado is 10. Okay. Cincinnati. Cincinnati, not so good. Do we see anything for Colorado? Now they're winning already. If anything, this looks like an A, a B, and a C down. Like Cincinnati's going to score. I'll show you. A, B, C. It's getting pretty oversold. Cincinnati has 1-2-3 up. So we'll see here if Cincinnati can score with 1-2-3 up. Washington is good. They're high, I believe. Yeah, number 11. So keep an eye on that. San Fran and Philly, I don't think they're good. San Fran's towards the bottom, or yeah, almost, and Philly. So that's not a good game. So we're not going to look at that game. I think we look at this game. We definitely look at this game. St. Louis, but they're already leading. Colorado and Washington. So I'm just double clicking. You see the yellow bar that shows up now when we do favorites. got rid of, let me, that was my game from last night. There we go. So now we have all our favorites lined up. I think some more games are coming online. Let me just check that. 10:40, we got the D-backs, so be sure to watch them because the D-backs are actually doing really well. So D-backs are here at 7. I think they're ranked pretty well too. I think they're a few games out of first, maybe. Yeah, 3 games out. Sometimes I like to go to overall. So overall, we can see the better teams here. Oh, Cincinnati is one of the better teams. They don't have a high OPS, huh? Interesting. I'm gonna keep these. I'm just gonna do all live games, all. Keep that. Oh, because it said Cincinnati's gonna score, right? 4, 5, 6 are up. How's this looking? 1 out. Still kind of wedging in there. Positive divergences, pretty oversold back B. And next inning we have 9-1-2. That's a good bet. Let's make that. Plus 230, that's pretty good. I'm gonna go pretty heavy because I like this. Plus 230. So you always get good odds on these bets. They're risky. Look, it's popping its head out a little bit there. You see that? So it's already, because they have what, 2 outs? Yeah, because they have 2 outs. I can't really call this. I don't know. I mean, technicals are a little oversold. I think Houston might be the first run here. With Altuve coming up. Where is Houston? I don't think they're doing. Where are they? Oh yeah, Houston's almost like one of the worst teams. That's interesting. All right, so what are we looking like here? Trying to move out. Let's see if this is rounding out a little bit. Kind of like looks like it's trying to round out. Let's get rid of this. Yeah, it's coiled up. And we have 9-1-2 up at the plate.
At the Home Depot, get more backyard for your budget. With low prices
Nine one
guaranteed,
two.
you'll get more ways to make it yours through Spring Backyard Days. Now through May 6th at the Home Depot.
Now at Cox Mobile, take advantage of wall-to-wall savings.
Let's
Whether
see.
you're a current customer or a new customer, you can get $100 off select smartphones with no trade-in required. Choose between our 2 simple plans, Gig Unlimited or Pay-As-You-Dig, all running on a network with unbeatable 5G reliability and coast-to-coast coverage. Get $100 off select smartphones, no trade-in required. Don't miss the savings. Visit a Cox store or coxmobile.com.
San Fran.
With Milestone, you can cook anything, anytime, anywhere,
Cincinnati.
from weekend classics to weekday favorites, or whatever's on the menu. Anytime,
4-5-6 on
lunch
Cincinnati.
and dinner. Anywhere,
Washington and
no
Mets
matter
still no
what.
score. Turning up a little.
Convenience,
Washington should score first. Who do
awesome.
they have? 5-6-7.
Learn more at GladstoneBonds.com or
That's
your
it.
nearest retailer.
market. Ethereum doesn't look great. Bitcoin looks like it's getting ready to turn down. But the miners are doing really well today.
They go third inning through fifth inning half an hour
Oil's
with that
holding
lead
above
right
support.
And the Braves on track right now for the sweep up 2-0. Elder Helms has pitched count last
All
night.
right, we'll see here.
Got a single, he got 3 outs in 5 pitches.
Watching Atlanta.
Now he faces Matty 1-2.
So we have these AI engines. Let me see if I can go back to that. Oh yeah, here they are. So
Keep it
we
down.
have
Conoval on deck. You know he's going to see at least
we're
90 pitches.
updating her parameters.
Kicking back into
It
third.
looks like she's had 2 losses and 2 wins.
1-1 in the air towards Riley. He'll hit over to foul ground.
Not
And
great, foul ball, 1 out.
racetrack fielding a feature. How about this?
That was their ninth batter. Who was
Division
that?
in the top of the fence. The Phillies, the
Yep.
Angels, and right there the Marlins.
All right, we're at the top of the order now, so let's see what happens.
5 games right here because of what the Braves have been able to do to start.
And the Phillies and Red Sox already under new management. Rob Thompson gone in Philly. I just,
Looks like it
you
might
would
get
tell
a
me
little
both
pump.
Thompson and Cora would be gone by the time May rolled around. I wouldn't have believed you at the start.
Yeah, and look, we can go in 100 different ways whether you agree with it or not, but there's that other team up there in New York that
Oh man,
Think it could be
another
happening
pop
again.
up.
you know how it goes, man. The dominoes fall, the media gets involved, they start writing articles and
2 pitches, 2 outs. Not looking good, guys.
Yeah, I think one does tend to lead into the next, right? Maybe the Alex Cora firing, and then Dave Dombrowski obviously has history with Alex Cora and offered him the Philly job after he was let go of Boston. But you wonder if that had impact on the Phillies, and there it is.
well, I think eventually that word's going to
Oh,
get out.
Washington, I just said they might score. They just scored. Should have
Who's going to manage
took
that
that.
team?
Wanted to see a little bit more.
Except that
There we
John,
go.
you install another manager.
Makes sense. The Mets suck.
Yeah, we walk it. Might as well get rid of
I
him.
think they're bottom of the barrel, no?
I'm sure Rob Thompson said the same thing. I don't want to
Yep.
be here if you're out
Last place.
talking to other guys about taking the next job.
Tom Mattingly, the bench coach, is the one who ends up sliding over as the interim manager there in Philadelphia. By the way, Elder did make Quaywork and McGonigal this
He did.
time, so
I think he finally just threw it out there.
Yeah, we're losing the shape here.
maybe that's a recipe for success. Ronald Acuna sprints toward the line. He's not going to get to this. He will fire to Dort to second.
Safe. Oh, come on.
A rocket
He
for
went for a
Acuna.
double, and they
Giants
got him.
Fans was hoping to stretch it into a double.
Oh, and him and Torres are good buddies. He's looking at him going, why in the world would you go? They're not going to challenge.
They will not. The Phillies win it.
Ah, you bum.
It's Bob that wins it.
Had a
That's what
beautiful
happens.
hit there.
Gets
Well, it was a 2-out hit,
gets
so
himself
they got him.
throws a one-hop seam to Mateo, flips him for the win. Braves keep that 2-1
Nice
lead.
play.
Well, that's everything moms want. It's a one-home drive and divorce. But you're working on that, right?
So
Call
there it goes, 9-1-2.
1-800-FIRST READ
Put
and
a
they'll
3,
show
4,
you
5
how
up.
close you're to seeing
You
more
guys see how it's like wedging down?
kind.
You see that positive divergences?
Live your
So
dreams.
let me do it again.
United Premier Fund Financial Advisory. Your dreams and those of the ones you love become ours.
Pretty good part of the batting order.
Wow.
I like the top of the order the best.
More powerful.
Still no score here. Looks like maybe Baltimore has someone on base.
Yeah, coffee spikes your cortisol.
ABC.
It's good for your liver.
Pro tip,
Up
magnetic
to San
hydration.
Fran.
Cardio rules, muscle builds.
Hey, standing ovens for days. Sleep is overrated.
St. Louis.
Change is smart.
Alright, Cincinnati has the ball now.
America, this country.
5-6.
Nice save.
That guy looks like Tim Howard.
I know Tim Howard.
Jim Beam, official pimp at US Soccer.
Please.
Big owners of big distractions? Try new Capri Balance. With 50% more odor fighters to instantly restore Japanese freshness. And that
Alright, we'll
huge.
have the D-backs on in a second.
Ronald Acuna Jr. getting his buddy Gleyber Torres. That had to feel pretty sweet for Ronald.
And there's nothing better when you get a buddy.
Pittsburgh game because this looked extended and they had 2 outs and it was plus 900. I missed taking it for like $5. I hope they don't score here. We got 2 outs, men on second.
Baseball isn't just what we do, it's who we are.
Hope I didn't miss this one.
Want to show you a few at-bats because
See how the price is going up
is in our DNA.
Welcome everyone to MLB Tonight, the National Pregame
on
Show.
a big negative divergence there. Back to these rolling over. They might score right here, Pittsburgh.
That's how we do it, baby.
This is MLB Network, the home of baseball.
And what do we see here? Alright, is this still working?
Braves in
Pretty
position for a
oversold.
potential sweep here on Getaway Day at Truist Park. One of the reasons for that, the work of
We
Bryson
give
Elder
Detroit.
so far
Who's
this
up in the
afternoon.
batting
Going
order?
again this sixth inning facing the left-handed hitting Colt Keith, the guy who could trace back the start of Bryce's great run from
4,
September
5,
up
6.
until now. A lot of that has to do with the way he has changed his pitch mix against left-handed hitting as he gets Keith to pop one up here. But he's been
Another
remarkably
pop up.
strong. A four-seam fastball and cutter combination in that time that he has this.
Fernando in studio update, and the Cardinals wasting no time getting the call. Skeets, J.J. Weatherholt, Yinzer back home, running a hitting streak to 7 in a row with a solo shot. And in the very same inning, Jordan Walker gets his first in over 2 weeks.
I don't understand where the lines are going. Where's the game lines?
Against Paul Skeens, they
Lead?
need a 4-game sweep if they can hang on. Would be just their second in Pittsburgh in the last 20 years. Let's get you back to it now.
And now you're looking at, man, yes or 7.
I don't know why this happens over here.
Elder's last 15 pitches have produced 7 outs. You can't be much more economic than that.
And a first and second, 2 outs for the Pirates.
And why did I mention that cutter coming into today? He had used it 63 times and all to lefties. Really been a good pitch and a good combination of pitches for Elder to
Got
start
the
off.
4 batter up.
On the four seam to lefty's not a bad idea, especially if you can lift kind of a little bit up. You're obviously not going to stay there. But you get a sinker sometimes to those left-handed hitters. They give you the ability to just drop the bat head on it, shoot it the other way. When the ball's a little bit up, they have to get on top of that pitch to be successful.
He's thrown 3 four-seamers to Green here. And he throws another one and it just misses.
Oh, line's turning up a little.
Walks for the Tigers hitters today.
Like
Two
Detroit's
one
gonna
on Green.
possibly make that score. So we lost that positive divergence here. Well, we have a 1 throughout the whole game. But you see how oversold it was?
They can locate that glove side four-seam
McAfee's
fastball.
turning
Give
up.
recapture some of their other pitches. You know, we saw that in the third inning of Chris Sale's last start when
Oh,
he ran into the
Baltimore
Cubs.
scored first. Alright, so we'll watch this now a little bit.
Trying to get his release point mechanics back alive.
You know what? You've heard it for years, but I mean,
Oh, Pittsburgh didn't score? Sweet.
pitching this late. And
Oh, bases loaded. No way. 2 outs, bases loaded.
Liner here for a save over Torkelson.
too many guys get worried about spinning the ball and doing this, but you can't.
2 men on for Detroit, 1 out.
You got strike.
Bases loaded here for Pittsburgh. Can they bring him in? What does the chart say?
You can hit that outside corner even.
Line's turning down.
You force guys to get on top of the ball because if they don't, you get the weak fly ball.
Negative divergence here on the RSIs.
Like you said.
So the setup was nice. 1, 2, 3 is the top of the order, right? Yeah, top of the order.
Line drive.
Yeah, top of the order. Nice bases loaded. Let's see if they can bring him in.
Kerry Carpenter. They're starting to move around in the Braves bullpen. Nobody is throwing yet, though.
When this is the one guy in the lineup, right, that's kind of been there.
I'll be pissed on this Pittsburgh because that was
That's a big home run.
right in my face.
Nice got him. Chase fastball up the first time.
This is real good. You see how it's like, it's not really impulsing. It's moving higher, but it's like kind of wedging up.
Tries to slap it down the left field line. Thankfully for the
Ah,
Braves,
just missed a nice double.
our lineup
Left
ready
field.
to play.
Foul
Continuing the
on
safety of
Detroit.
Bryce Elder, so
Oh, Detroit's moving up pretty good.
pitchers
doing what it should, right? This is a chart. Positive divergences, good fundamentals. Oh, and Arizona just started, sweet. So we'll go look at that too. This is fun on Wednesdays and Thursdays. There were a few afternoon games yesterday. I don't know, about 3 or 4. It's kind of fun every week. So Detroit looking good. Let's go to Pittsburgh. 2 outs, 1 strike. Oh man, bases loaded, 2 outs.
1-1, there's nothing you can do with that cutter. Outside of just
Watch Pittsburgh. So we had some. It was 3-0. We were telling you to watch Pitt. And T. Rose also saying batter number 1 leads off. Part of the order steps in now.
See what ever comes with here. He strikes him out with 93 at the top of the zone.
And funny enough, that's Mitch Riley was just talking about.
Up
He
2
got a
outs
wicked cutter
in
in.
Detroit.
Look at that ball up and away with the four seamer, and you see pitch in the spot. If that ball's down by the kneecaps here, Carpenter can shoot that or at least foul it off. But with the velocity and where that is, you're going to get most of your swing and miss right
2
there.
balls, bases loaded for
You can't
Pittsburgh.
help it, right? You can't. Bryce doesn't throw hard enough to just say, I'm throwing 3 top of the zone balls. They're going to make the adjustments. But when you pitch the way he's pitching, right? Cutter in, fouled off, and sped him up a little bit, and then.
Come on, Detroit, let's do something. Come on.
Now his 87th pitch today is low to Matt Beerling, who's 0 for 2.
But Riley is still Westminster right there.
I missed Pittsburgh. Damn it. Pittsburgh, you better not score. 2 out. Oh, 3 balls. Oh, there's a nice hit. Detroit. Dropped in. Played the plate. Safe. Woo! Nice. We'll get a little update here in a second once it reports. There it goes. Look at that, guys. So it was 1 inning early, but there's the turn, and we got the run. So that one for me paid. Let's see here.
That'll bring Jeremy Hefner to the mound after this run comes home.
I did at 120 because I missed that first single. So that's pretty good though. I went heavy with $25.
Like Aaron Bummer is
Washington scored again. They are good. The Mets suck so bad I can't risk it, but this looks like 1, 2, like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks like it would come down towards the Mets, but I'm not taking that chance. What do we got here with Cincinnati? Cincinnati must have men on base.
so Caillou leads the battle with runners at first and second.
Oh, so maybe it's like this. A.
Just the 10th big league game.
This is all B.
Caillou, the native of
This is
Taiwan.
C, and now it's going to come down towards Cincinnati.
Baseball history to hail from Taiwan.
Pittsburgh scored. Ah, damn, I missed that one.
And a gift there for Miller and the Braves to get the top of the 6th.
What was it, a walk? Yeah, a walk.
Run breaks by 1.
Nah. Is that how they scored? Oh, he walked. Yeah, a walk scored that run. And look at this on the chart. Perfect. Damn. Missed that one. See how this game shapes up. Houston really hasn't been doing too good. Batting average or offense not been good. So what does the chart look like now? Alright. I don't see much now. Could continue up. Looks like it's rounding out, but there's no setup there. A, B, C, A, D. Maybe San Fran more. I'm pissed about Pittsburgh. Cincinnati have somebody on base? Let's see.
Totally not.
Cincinnati, who do we have? 8-9? Hmm.
May cause worsening of existing parasitic skin infestations, serious infections, or pre-existing cancers. New needle doses have been observed. Do not use in dogs under 12 months of age with serious
8-9-1 in Cincinnati.
irritating bugs.
Ask your vet for application.
I'm gonna take a little action on that. I'm doing it here on my phone because sometimes on the desktop it doesn't show you the games. Oh, there's a man on first already.
Braves.tv is here. Stream all your Braves games with no local blackouts live or on demand on any device. For less than 76 a home
Nothing
game.
on Arizona. We need some game time.
Happy to have part of Braves.tv and Braves Vision. David White, who's our producer for this series. He was with us in a previous life as a coordinating producer, and now filling in this series progression, and certainly happy to have you
Keep an
with
eye on
us.
the Cincinnati game. One
Yes,
out.
sir.
Oh, no outs, man on first. All right, that's pretty good. And they got the
First
number
down.
9 batter up.
The rest of
Then
our
we get to the
coverage
top of
takes
the
place
order.
to the past
So
year.
Cincinnati, this one may look pretty good.
Just Thursday
Keep an
afternoon
eye on
action.
this. So let's see what the market's doing. Yeah, looks like a little pump
Two
maybe or
strikeouts
something,
today as he
but
tries to break out of his slump.
oil's coming down a little. Maybe some good news with Iran.
Tigers will finish
I'm gonna
empty
switch to
after taking 7
Cincinnati.
pitches.
Rockies.
For the first time up. Really nice to see a back-to-back from him. He just has that potential.
That's driven down the right field line. Foul.
Ah, foul
Just
ball.
a
That was
little
nice.
early.
And here we could
You
be
see that kind
seeing,
of
this could be like this
potential
though.
in Will Benson. Questions like,
Still hasn't broken
can you afford to have that sit on the bench?
this low right here.
And that's a tough call. But it's certainly in there. We've seen it.
Swung through strike 3.
One
We're
out.
down from Miami.
Cincinnati.
Early gaming.
Get ready to get lucky at MPG with over
So it could be
2,200
this,
of the
and then
best
we get
game
the
machine
C up
action coverage.
like that.
One of the better located
Or we're gonna start
fastballs
impulsing
lined
down
up.
after this
Strike from
ABC.
Will Benson. Those lefties like that ball down and in. That was the ball that Will almost knocked out the ballpark the first time up. That time an elevated fastball. Have this conversation all the time with hitters. What is the toughest pitch to hit? Slider away or a well-located fastball?
Well tries.
Out of the park. Cincinnati. Woo! See that? Look at that, guys. See how you can trade sports, technicals? Sweet. That was a good one. Pissed I missed Pitt. If I had Pittsburgh there, we would have been having a good day here. Pretty awesome, right? So now that one's done for now. See if we see any other setups. Mets, I cannot touch the Mets. I will not do it.
That was not up. It is in. Down and in to left field.
Beautiful.
That's
That was
ball
just
one.
beautiful stuff for you guys to see that.
Scoring. Big time fly.
I said there's that green C, meaning impulse down, so this is clearly not it. We broke this.
Cleanly struck after grounded out.
It's not this. It was this. And
So
now we're heading
Prickles,
down.
6 extra
So
bases.
nothing's going to be
They
there.
lost
So
the
that's pretty
previous
fun.
11 games.
I like trading baseball the best. This looks like it wants to go up more
As he
now for
started to
Detroit.
turn that corner, he showed shades of it first in Minnesota. Had that clutch multi-run
Go
double
back
late
here.
in the game to clear the bases. Got his first home run of the season in the first series of this homestand against the Tigers.
Seattle Mariners. I had a good trade on the Seattle Mariners yesterday. Let's see if we can find that. Completed. MLB. Seattle.
2-1.
That was yesterday, right? Yeah, there it
Down
was.
the line.
Right here. This pop. positive divergence. That was a good one yesterday. Oh, and then the Cubs was a good, White Sox was a good call
Not
yesterday.
only did the Brewers
There's
exceed
that.
yesterday, Philly came back by striking out Whitmer. You see one soft down look into.
Right here. What did we do here? Oh yeah, it was a completed wave count. This was easily A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So up here, I took the bet for White Sox, and boom, look at that. It stopped, went right past the B. I thought it was gonna be A, B, C back up. It was just straight down, and the Sox were down 2-0 in the eighth, and in the ninth inning, they tied it up, and then they won in the 10th. That was pretty fun. But yeah, baseball's got good odds, really good odds.
For the month of May.
Basketball, we can't do this next run. Oh, Milwaukee scored. They're doing really good, the Brewers.
Couple of sinkers.
But the Arizona's not doing bad either. So this is going to be a good game. This is Arizona. So hopefully we see some setup in the Arizona game. Mets should do something. Watch, they're going to do something.
Time for the Brewers.
Who's up for the Mets? No, 8-9-1. Wonder what they're.
Brenton is alternating so far.
This
Breaking
looks
ball
like it's got to come
fastball,
down for
changeup,
the Mets.
fastball. Looking.
I'm going to just see.
The location of fastballs are so important.
2 outs, man on first.
Punch out, but it's a
I'll
ball
wait.
fastball and
Maybe
it's
next
strike
inning I'll try
one.
the Mets with a small, little baby position, but that was a good Reds trade up. So far we've had this Detroit trade, took us one more inning than we thought. Kind of just seeing a setup here, I don't see anything yet. Then we got Pittsburgh, which I missed making the bet, but I was telling you guys that was going to happen. And that was the blip right there. That was the blip right there, was the payday. This was the payday right here, based on the negative divergence
My paycheck was just deposited into my
on the
crypto
MACD
account.
and the RSI. And then we got the
You'll get
Cincinnati to look like A, B, C up, and we needed to at least have a B wave down. And it looks like now it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this might be a cool setup because Colorado is good. So look at what we can do here.
Innovation always gives game time antennas. They're dropping cool features
So
like
wave
zone deals
1,
and price drop alerts, so we can go to more games
2,
themselves. Finally, a ticketing app that actually
3,
gets it. Download the app today.
4, and then we get the fifth down, and we get this bigger wave 1, the downside. And then we would see a wave 2, right? So let's see how this one plays out, because maybe going with Colorado. And okay, so we come down here. See, we can run the fibs too. Pretty sweet. So we'd expect here, wave 1, wave 2, right back into all this stuff. Right, look at that. Look at how it lines up. Isn't this amazing? Look at, right at the 50-62%, right there. See it? Right at the 50-62%. We have all that resistance. So if we see this, I'm going to take Colorado to score. And I think, now sometimes what could happen with baseball is the game signal could move up. Say they get bases loaded, it would probably move into the zone, and then they can fail and not even score, and then it just start rolling over again. But this is a nice setup. Keep an eye on this one.
Did you have your Ovaltine today?
I'm going to keep this game on the TV. Nothing. Pittsburgh. Oh, St. Louis scored again, huh?
Or Everett and buy your bail bonds. Boys
Yeah,
are both
I don't
on
see the
station.
same kind of setup yet.
Freeman is over to his line to center. Now Andrew
ABC,
Abbott enjoys a 3-2 lead.
ABC.
I think his mustache would play in that era.
Maybe Philly, but Philly sucks.
Swing and miss.
Alright, Detroit's got the ball. I don't see really much. Actually, the best setup I see right now,
I would watch a
as
whole
of the
game.
second, is watching to see if, so they gotta
Broke his bat. De La Cruz.
put Colorado down this inning, so that the signal goes back towards Cincinnati. They already have one out, and then we're gonna take Colorado.
Hopefully, John, what we're seeing is
And we'll see if we
Andretti
see any kind
starting
of.
to take control of this game.
Right now, we're very oversold on the RSI there, but we don't have a positive divergence yet. And we're very oversold on the MACD, but we don't have a positive divergence yet.
Back to
That's
Elliott.
2 outs for Colorado.
Fire, got him.
So see how the signal line's coming down for that fifth wave? Very clear, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after we get that fifth wave, so I'm expecting maybe no. Wow, it looks beautiful out there today
On it, but this one, you see that
in
high
Ohio.
line.
Beautiful.
And Ellie looks up, sees
Beautiful
Castro
blue day. Beautiful
motoring down that line.
white puffy clouds.
A little extra mustard on
So
that.
here, two outs, so they get the third out, and then Cincinnati does nothing, and then we see if we have the setup for Colorado. Oh, the Mets! Look at this. They scored. Fuck. I guess I gotta remove my bias maybe for the teams a little. I just told you guys the Mets looked like they were gonna score. Look at that. It was a home run probably. What happened?
The pitcher's nose when he elected.
We gave a warning 11 minutes ago about the spread
Consider on
zone.
a rooftop down in Camerville.
Ah. Yeah, I was gonna even put like $5. Alright, you guys are seeing though, there's a lot of cool shit going on here so far, right? I told you the Mets, this was like 5 up. So let's do the Fibonacci's on this. Let's see the total in the 78%. Yeah, it is. Look at that. Look at it. It's like right at the 78. So now it's gonna go back towards Washington, but I gotta see a little bit more.
There are a few balls that De La Cruz cannot get to.
Alright, Colorado got a base hit.
He's covered just about everything.
Alright, so Washington.
Brings up Kyle Karros, who is
Wave 1,
to third. He is singled to right.
wave 2. Let's see how this kinda. I don't think it's gonna shoot up right away.
Strike one. Be sure to stay tuned after this presentation of Old
Who's
Timey
up for
Baseball tonight with
Washington?
Lone Ranger.
6, 7, 8. I'll give this one more inning and see what happens here.
Latest episode.
But Washington is a really good. Oh wow, look at the Brewers.
Lone Ranger Center. Tune in to find out.
Man, our pitching sucks. Alright, Colorado's holding a little here. I wonder if that was the fifth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was the fifth. That could have been. It did technically
Carroll's college teammate of Matt McClain.
get a new
Stewart
low.
guards the line at third. Swing and miss. Abbott strikes him out.
So I might have to do this.
Strikeouts for Abbott. His best
Oh, they
start
got
since
out.
opening day.
Alright, now let's see how this lines up. Cincinnati has 4, 5, 6 up next inning.
With prescription lenses,
Mhm.
plus anti-reflective lens coating,
Oh,
scratch-resistant coating,
did I choose?
UV protection,
The Mets.
award-winning customer service.
Well, there should be a trade for Arizona eventually,
Free
but
returns, free
way
exchanges,
too
and
early
free
for
frame
me to look at
adjustments for
that.
life.
And how much more is that?
Oh, it's all included at Warby Parker.
So my glasses
Are still just $95.
Baltimore,
Oh,
nothing. Detroit. Oh, Detroit's gonna score
I
again.
just get excited.
Something's going on with them. Let's see. Yeah, man on first.
Hey, have you heard about this prediction market, Kalshi?
yeah. Let you trade on anything from sports to culture.
What about
This looks
UFO
pretty
sightings?
good. I'm gonna take some
Yeah.
Detroit. It's not gonna give me great odds now, but maybe it's like plus. Let's see what it is for Detroit.
Since you're sleeving like that.
Detroit. Just waiting to see what happens at this at bat.
Once a parent, your plate is usually full long before dinner time rolls around. That's why Home Chef's family menu is making it
Looks
easier
like they'll
to
try to
sit
give you
down
220. I would take that. Detroit's really good.
family-friendly flavors are just a delivery
They're not letting me go because the batter's still up. Hope I don't miss this too. Gotta be really fast, so I'm trying to fool around with you guys and do commentary on all these games.
One meal at a time. Get 18 free meals at homechef.com.
Oh yeah, this went down to 120 on Detroit. first and second. No, one
It
out.
would appear that Andrew Abbott is done. In the high fives, the handshakes, the hugs, 6 strong, gave up 2 runs in the first, 86
Gotta be
pitches.
quick.
And out of the bases loaded
Let's
jam,
go
he
back
was able to get
Cincinnati.
three
Let's
of
see
them
how
in.
the chart's looking.
Priors
Alright, looks like
actually
we're getting
looked
that
much
fifth
better
wave
today.
down.
Oh man, so much better. And this was what we
See
expected
what
from
happens
Andrew
here.
Abbott.
They could
Even in
score, and
today's
the fifth
game,
could
when
be
he
down
came
here,
into the
but
game, we saw one guy, and then later
that's
we
one
saw
out.
the All-Star that we saw last year. Really,
I think we're
really
good
nice
now.
job.
How about this, by the way? So Abbott
We gotta just
took the
wait to
mound
see this
last inning with a
close out.
3-2 lead. Friedel had homered to give the Reds the edge. That's the most runs the Reds have had in support of Abbott when he has taken the mound this season.
Yeah, it certainly has been an issue, but he won't ever use it as an excuse. Man, he did pitch so much better. And it was later in the game.
Oh,
Pitched
bases
early in the
loaded. They're
game.
not letting
He
you
had
even
a
make the
on the
bet
outside
since
part
the
of the
man was
plate.
on first.
He sent
Detroit's
those
gonna
two guys
score.
up inside,
Shit.
which opened up the
Gotta be
outside
really
part of the
fast with
plate
this
for him to
DraftKings.
dominate the
Maybe
start of the
Kelsey's
game.
better.
The chase on the high
Kelsey does not
fastball
black
out of
you
play.
out. We're gonna put a Kelsey
He
trade
just
button
scouts
here,
the inside
so you can
part
go
of the
right
plate,
to the game.
which is what he did later in the
So
game.
hopefully it makes trading a little
Really nice
easier
to
because
see him
this
do
one
that.
could have went to
So Abbott
Kelsey.
in line
They're
for
gonna
what
score.
could be his first
No,
win of the year.
this is
Low
over.
rips to right. He is stolen high.
Wow.
Low shoots to second. The Stanley double.
One out double
On
for
for a third
Cincinnati. Let's see
time
what it did to the
today.
chart.
He has been rocking this homestand.
Might
And
still be
Dale
updating.
continues to swing the bat well. That flat swing.
I'm gonna take all these off. You guys get
And
the
he's
point.
making some loud, solid contact.
It looks like he has chased Lorenzen. Antonio Senzatella. The
So
longer
we're looking for
reliever
that
after
fifth
pulling
wave
again.
down.
Schaefer comes out to get the ball.
There we go.
So former Red Lorenzen leaves on the hook. His
And
one
let's go
still to
back to
come.
Detroit.
We'll step
There we
aside and
go.
let you
Detroit.
judge.
Did they
Reds
score yet?
lead ahead at a 1-run edge.
No. One out.
Oh my goodness, what a play! An absolute beast unleashed.
Two outs. Bases loaded for Detroit. This happened in what? What game was it? Pittsburgh? Yeah.
Relive the
Nah,
biggest
I'm
plays
blacked
of
out.
the game.
Can't do anything about it.
Free pitch, late nights and early mornings on MLB Network.
From your favorite teams to the league's biggest stars.
Jaw-dropping stuff from Bobby Witt Jr.
Hey, I know that
We're
guy.
switching the pitcher right now.
Stay in the know all season long on Play Ball only on MLB Network.
Major League
I can't believe this Mets.
bigger than
That
ever
sucks.
before.
In Arizona, what do we got here in Arizona? You still need a little bit more chart time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like 5 down, possibly.
Play
Let's just
ball
see
on
what happens
MLB
here.
Network.
Maybe Arizona gets a little bounce. Maybe this, and then there'll be another bet for Arizona down the road. Oh wow, Baltimore. What'd they do? 5-0. What'd they hit? Grand slam? I don't think the score was 5-0.
Lorenzen man at second.
What about
One out.
Detroit? No,
Tyler
still two
Stevenson on
outs.
base. Former starter, now reliever. Skyline Chili calling the bullpen. Antonio
Little
Senzatella.
check on the
Senzatella,
market.
one of two pitches. Kyle Freeland
Nothing
being
much.
the other.
What's oil
10
doing?
years of pitching in
Oh, it's
Colorado with
holding
this
this.
organization. He has been around for a while.
Stevenson has bounced to short. He is flying to center. First pitch fouled away. There's been a significant overhaul with this Rockies team. There's reason that they're on a far better pace than a 119-loss squad suffered last year. And some of that began last season. Then interim
Pittsburgh's got some
Losing
guys
one
on
or two
base again.
hitters.
Go back. Oh, rolling over.
As part of the vision the
Let's see if
Rockies
they'll
have
let
for
me bet on.
retooling their team. Strike.
A lot of times, John, that decision is just based on personality.
Detroit did
It takes
not
a certain
score.
type to be able to
Wow.
come out of the pen. Also, a certain type to be a starter. Think about Graham Ashcraft.
I'm gonna
He
take
had himself
Pittsburgh,
to be
man.
a
First
starter
and
yesterday.
second.
But I think he has the
I don't
attitude
know.
to be a lockdown reliever.
Just because what this is looking like on Pittsburgh.
And I think that's what we're seeing. We're seeing the personality of those
See, it's
pitchers
like
really indicates where they're going to be most successful. And it's been a while. Cincinnati, as I spoke about,
it just looks like
continues
it's
the
rolling over a
organization
little
is
bit
making a
there.
move here in its
And
ninth
you can
season.
see the negative divergence. That was our first one when they scored.
2-2 is swung through.
We
Now
got
that
that
pitch was a
divergence.
95, but he sat
McPhee's
down
pretty
by as a
strong,
starter
but
when he struggled last year. He's been averaging
let's see.
97 on that heater this year.
Look at that. Tucked its head
Rotations
right
are
back in.
the elevated fastball
Let's see
starting to
what
catch up
this is
with him.
starting to look like now. Sometimes it's nice to do a clean
2
chart.
down. Low in scoring position. J.J. Bleday has walked
Maybe
once. He's
A,
lined
B,
to right.
C.
He'll intentionally walk him here to set up right on right against Spencer Steer.
2 outs, man on second for Cincinnati. Let's go back to that. Let's see how the chart's looking. All right. This is
The
building a
2 for
positive
Steer is
divergence, I bet.
walked.
Yeah,
Was
it is.
metabolism
Yeah, we're getting the
into
hook.
the fifth
See that,
and
guys?
begin the inning.
Oh, I'm going to take
Steer is 1-2
Colorado.
lifetime against Senzatella. First pitch over short. He pokes it
Ah,
to Brissett.
Cincinnati's going to
Runners are
score.
on third. With a kid on fire at second base, they can save the side.
Oh,
No
man.
crosses standing. Spencer Steer
Well, that's going
steps
to help us,
in.
if
He
anything.
hits on the ringing hit for a
So it's going to
1-2
make the chart
Brissett
look
inning.
better. There we go. Right, right to where I had the
Went to
fib
no
drawn.
time at all.
Now we're good.
See the slider down. Spence has no
Yep.
problem getting to that. It's a cutter.
And Colorado is 8-9-1 up. I like that setup because if the 8 or 9 can at least walk or get on base,
The
it sets
awareness
up the
of a
top of the
hitter
order.
who intentionally walks someone in front of him. I think
Arizona's
it's
looking bouncy.
time to take that personal.
Who's up for
First
Arizona?
RBI
5,
after
6, 7. I'll wait
Senzatelli's
one more
allowed to a
inning. Let's see how
right-hander
this.
this
This is
year.
like 1, 2, 3,
Now
4, 5
left-hander
down.
Wilson.
Arizona might score this inning.
Slide to right, struck out swinging. Takes ball one.
The pitch is called. Ball. The catcher is challenging.
ABS powered by T-Mobile. Hunter Goodman is very good at ABS zone reading.
Broke the 78,
That is
so
a
this
strike.
looks like it's going to go.
One.
This is A, B,
Close
C.
that is.
Atlanta's going to score.
That's
I'm
by
not going to make the
Rutherford.
bet,
That is
but it
a
looks like
no-call.
Atlanta. Who do they have up? 8-9-1.
Senzatella had an awful time with homers last year. Pitched to an over
This might have been
6-0
A,
ERA. Gave up a career worst
B,
22. Nobody has
and we're
taken
coming down
him
here for
yet
C.
this year. Borderline miss.
Pittsburgh, man, on second and third, 2 outs.
Upstairs. Closed the book on Lorenzen. 4 runs, 4 hits, walked 3, struck out 5 in 5 1/3 and a wild pitch. Four unanswered runs by the Reds to
Pittsburgh going
take
to
this
strand them
lead.
on base.
Trailing 1-0
Wow,
Soto
smoked.
going deep at the gap,
Oh,
and
they
he's
caught it.
got it.
All right.
Reds at bat, low doubles.
so let's look at the Colorado, because Colorado, let's see how they're, let's see, Colorado, I mean, they were terrible. Yeah, they're not doing that good. But they're number 10 year to date on OPS. So there's a setup here. Let's see. And again, this looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They might not have the missing.
Every game night is a chance
Look
to
at,
go
you see how the technicals are moving ahead of the price, just like they do in the stock market. So we have the price down. You see how this is kind of moving up, and yeah, we got a crossover on the MACD. We'll see if this has to come up and down for a negative divergence. And then who do we have up? We have 891 up.
Change up game night with baseball's biggest game changer.
Pretty cool.
MLB Finish Inning all season, presented by CarShield.
Pittsburgh doesn't look like they're going to do it based on the chart. And they didn't do it. Oh, they did. Oh, Pitt did score. Sweet. Got it. Nice. Didn't update yet. Yeah, they scored 2 runs just now, Pittsburgh. Sweet. Got that one too. Doing pretty good together today. Hopefully you guys are following along. Now we want Colorado. And Washington, I think, is going to come out of this. Let's see. Yeah, it's turning up already. Very oversold. Who's up for Washington? 912.
For Andrew Abbott on the mound. Jim Day with you. It's our Wells
Let's
Fargo
see how
Anthem
late I
flag.
am to this one.
Aforementioned Andrew Abbott. Good start today. What was the difference for you
Washington.
as opposed to your previous starts?
Yeah, I think the
No
offense
outs.
mechanically
First,
sound, was able to locate a
let's
little
see
bit
if I
better.
can get. Come on, give me
Made
a
a mistake
bet.
pitch to Freeman in the first, but other than that, was pretty sound on everything. Was able to spin the ball, was able to put balls in, like get easy balls in plays. The guys were making plays behind me all around a good game.
You mentioned mechanically sound. Did you
All right,
make
I
any
got a little
adjustments
love
going
on
into this?
Washington. There's
Yeah,
an
he's improved over
891.
the past like 2 weeks or so on, just riding the hips down, riding the legs a little more. I was a little more stable
There's the
yesterday than I was a
Pittsburgh.
little bit
See,
last year. He
Pittsburgh
really
might make
came
a
back,
comeback in this
brought
game.
a game plan,
Actually, the
focus
way
on
this
this,
is,
and let's go,
the
just
way
go
the
pound
chart's
the
setting
second
up,
inning like he used to. And
it's really starting
I
to
think
roll
that kind of
over.
changed the mentality of, hey, let's move forward, let's just keep going, and we'll weather the storm while it lasts, and then go get one today.
Rocky looking to
Houston
keep the bases loaded in the fifth.
looks
How did
like
you
they're
handle
gonna
that
at
situation?
least get a little pop.
I just had to reach down deep. I mean, use my defense to the advantage. I mean, like I said before, great defense playing behind me. I was able to make some timely pitches today to some of those hitters over there. I mean, they're a good hitting team. But really, just bear down, put your head down, and go work. I mean, just
Who's up
keep
for
throwing. If
Houston?
you're gonna hit it, pound it.
Oh, 1, 2, 3 again.
Check the time.
I mean, that's the only part of the order that they have.
Back up 6.
Thank you, Jim, and kind thanks to Andrew. Several changes. Pinch hitting Edward
I'm gonna
Julian.
put a little on Houston.
That ball just about behind him got him.
No outs.
So the pinch hitter is on. Julian had 3 hits and a walk 2 days ago.
We get the
New pitcher
Orioles.
is Connor Phillips, our FanDuel
Just kind
pitcher
of just looks
change.
complete.
Yeah, really good numbers out of the pen.
Even if that was A, B.
Only his second outing of this homestand. He pitched once in the Tigers series. Dane Myers is into the game. He plays in center. TJ Friedel has shifted to left. Looks like JJ Bleday is out of the game. A bunt try. It goes foul for Troy Johnston.
Washington, where are
I
they up
wonder how
to?
much if Johnston regrets or if a sign
Arizona.
was put on. He had shown bunt when he came up 2 on, nobody out his last time in the fifth.
Yeah,
And
I
they
don't
never
know.
squared
This
again.
looks like it's
Wound
gonna
up
go towards
flying out
Atlanta.
towards
Like
center
what
field.
could happen here? They're in the
They
8th inning. You could
spirally
just leak
cleans up
down
the
here and they
lead.
win the
Could
game.
accomplish sacrifice bunter.
Yeah, I'm not touching that.
Rockies
Yeah,
bench is
I don't want
entirely
anything more on
left-handed
this.
today. It looks like it'll be used here.
This is a little head and shoulders
Mickey
setting up.
Moniak is on deck to
I'll just
pinch hit
draw
for
it. I like
Jordan
to just
Webb.
draw stuff and then revise the chart. Maybe.
The Rockies lean lefty most of the time.
Let's see.
Entering
Head and
yesterday, all
shoulders.
of their top 4 RBI men, 5 of their top 6 average men, 4 of their top 5 in homers, left-handed swingers.
We'll just watch that. I'm not sure about that.
Tying run at
It's looking good.
Time called by Johnston.
Right to here. For the Rockies of Washington. Maybe this is A, B, C. So even if the Mets are going to beat Washington, it should still be this ABC, a little pop in Washington. Whether they get it this inning, we'll have
Striking
to
out.
find out.
Almonte.
Colorado strikes out, 1 out, man on first.
The pitch is called a strike. The hitter is challenging.
Hangs
Oh,
a strike.
strike, buddy.
Pitch is confirmed. Colorado has a one
That
challenge.
must suck for the players. It's like embarrassing. Like, if you get it wrong, and then the umpire's like, told you so.
99
And I guess
Dodgers
it's
in the
embarrassing more for the
ninth.
umpires because they seem to be
Now with
missing.
Moniak pinch hitting, Stevenson strolls out to check. Strategy with
Let's
Phillips.
see what the chart looked like because that was popping nice.
Moniak
Yeah, we
1-2.
tucked in a little bit.
TK
See it?
next week.
So that was when it was man on
Dodgers
first and it was
picked up
looking pretty
Strickland
good.
in
And
the
there's the
ninth
strikeout.
yesterday. It's way more than a base hit a game, and it's fairly
Arizona's still
common
up.
that time as well.
What are they doing?
Former #1 overall pick. This
Oh,
is
they
the best
didn't do
offensive
anything.
start that Moniak's had in the bigs.
Oh, Arizona has
Doyle advances to
9-1-2
0
up.
for 3 with an infield hit.
I'm gonna put a little low on Arizona. Then I gotta eat some lunch and we got all the basketball on tonight.
2-0.
Come on, Colorado. 2-0. Man on first. Oh.
Hard
Ah.
foul.
Damn.
Just wide of
Just
first.
foul.
It was smoke.
Just wide, but that was a nice rep. What was the chart saying? Alright. It's hanging in there. Oh, Atlanta couldn't score. San Fran. Houston is way oversold.
Two again. Got him looking.
Strike. 2 outs. Come on, guys. Still like
Well,
this
the
setup
smart
on
box score
Colorado
thinks
though.
it wants this ball up there.
Is this holding?
You missed location, but 98.5 allows you to miss
And this would just be a perfect
over the
retrace.
plate. That's just power stuff.
Another pinch hitter employed. The speedy Jake McCarthy is going to stand in for the speedy Brenton Doyle.
Nah.
McCarthy has shown that outstanding speed on this series.
Oh, there goes Detroit.
Had a base hit in the opener. Stole a bag and
I guess we
scored.
never broke the low, right? So this is it.
Doyle ends his day 0 for 2.
Detroit. Man on second, no outs.
Walk, a steal, and the run scored. Tied up on that fastball.
Talk to guys about
Yeah, they don't show you that
facing
anymore.
Connor Phillips. They say he's a very uncomfortable at bat. Uncomfortable because they don't really know if he understands exactly where the ball is going. But they say there's a lot of deception to his pitching style.
Washington's ticking up a little bit.
Yeah, the walks are up there a bit, but the strikeouts are there too. He's already got a couple of backdoor Ks today.
You know, I believe some
All All right, be back in a
Baseball
second.
using that to their advantage. I know Rob did.
Oh, Detroit tied it up. Nice.
Ninth, the ballpark
All right,
transformed into
so
a
we
Nicholson
had
car far away, and fans in
Colorado
attendance
fail.
receiving rose-tinted bobblehead
Now I'm
thanks to
starting to see.
Drydell
Let's see
Club
how this.
Supplies Class. Visit Reds.com/tickets.
See what this looks like
Reds up
after
a
these
couple
guys
runs.
hit. Washington didn't do anything,
Solving
but
it at
it's
bats
coming up.
Aaron
I wonder if this is
Schaller.
ABC and it's gonna
And
fail
he
again.
bangs
The
it
Mets are
in.
gonna score.
TJ
That'd be
Friel scored
crazy.
home
That's what it
runs
looks
last
like.
time. He's 1 for 3. Sensatella, his first
It'll be
full
like
inning.
this.
Now McCarthy stays in the game at left. Moniak in center. Julian at second.
40%. That's a B wave. So,
His first
wonder if
out.
the Mets are gonna
Really nice to
score.
see TJ Friedel lace this ball. He has always been able to turn
Like
on a
that?
fastball inside.
That'd be crazy. Who's up for the Mets?
Nice to see him come up with one. Give us a
Two,
lead.
three, four.
Matt McLean 0 for 3, a strikeout, grounded
Trade
out
what you
wide.
see. Let's see if I can catch this.
Top of the ninth. Julian. Great word now from the good folks at UC Health.
Imagine care so personal, it makes your best tomorrow possible.
Arizona.
Ellie De La Cruz base hit his first time since that
2
Oakland
outs.
A's, both looking.
Still looks
And
good.
if you think you've seen a rise in that number, you're not wrong. De La Cruz has
Colorado's
gone
up
down
4, 5,
looking at
6. I'm
striking
trying
out
Colorado again.
19 times this year. That's the most in the majors. You don't want any player on your team to strike out, of course. But strikeouts are going to come in the game period at a higher rate for power hitters dribbling second. And I would argue looking at De La Cruz is not necessarily independently a bad thing. Reds go in order here.
They say guys are hypnotized, but they just don't like things like they used to.
Now,
Here we go. 5, 4.
At MLB Network, covering baseball isn't just what we do, it's who we are.
Turned out to be entertained and amazed. So I just want to show you a few at-bats because it was incredible.
Connecting fans to the game is in our DNA.
Welcome, everyone, to MLB Tonight, National Pregame Show. We added 2 new pitches this year.
In season, off season,
Not every day would hand out Cy Young Awards.
every season.
That's not what we do it for.
This
Arizona
is MLB
flatlining.
Network, the home of baseball.
From your favorite teams who meets biggest stars.
A walk-dropping start from Bobby Witt Jr.
Oh, Detroit.
That guy.
Bases
Great play.
loaded. There it
Stay in the
goes.
know all season long.
Yep.
Play ball only on MLB Network.
Oh, Houston scored. Ah, I was off by 1 inning. Damn it.
Mayor is what all those words mean.
Ah,
Porque el flow no es de un solo jugador. El grupo es entero que prende agua. De San Diego a Santo Domingo y cada parada en el camino. Cuando estamos activos, la liga sube de nivel. Esto es Flow Underground.
well, there it was, folks. I missed it. Looking at too many things. I got to follow up. So sometimes what I like to do, and there's still a positive divergence here, so Houston may score again. You got to follow up your bet. So sometimes what I normally do is $5 or $10 on the first bet, and then if it still looks
Weekend
good,
coming up June 5th
then
through the
I'll
7th.
double it.
Encouraging youth everywhere to get out and play. Visit playball.org today. Register for a free event near you. Quick shout out to Bryce Crowley, the Crowley family.
This is looking
Bad
kind of bear
Bryce's dad,
flaggy. We'll see. If
former
Washington
Red's
does
TV
something
family,
amazing, it's going to pop
delighted
up
with Bryce.
strong, but we'll see.
And everyone back home enjoying Reds baseball this afternoon on the TV. First pitch, Tyler Freeman greeting Tony Santiago.
All right, Colorado's a man on
Swing to
first.
left. That's his second hit of the game. He thundered a homer for the 2 Rockies runs in the first. Hit.
Ah, they picked him off?
Lost.
Come
Here
on,
comes
dude.
down in the dirt and applies the tag on the diving Freeman.
Well, we've talked about Tony Santillan and the big man
Had a
that he
beautiful
is.
setup.
Quickness at his
Picked him
feet.
off.
Watch this.
Unbelievable, dude.
And this ball was thrown in the perfect location. All Smith has to do is just ride it out.
Ah.
Tony Santillan with the quick move and down.
Second hit of the year in his career. This one to left. And Friedel secures the second out.
Colorado.
It's a nice
No
clean
good.
play
That's it.
to erase a base runner. So 2 pitches and 1 pickoff and a couple of outs.
Yeah.
Now Brumfield.
Colorado, no good,
Base
dude.
hit. He's grounded out twice. Fouls off strike 1.
How's this looking? Hmm.
Second outing for Sation in the series.
see what we got here. Houston, we missed that one run.
A one down, he brings up Tyler Stevenson, who is 0 for
Still
3,
think
grounded out
Colorado's
9
got
on
like one
strikeouts.
little bounce in it.
His successful ABS challenge made it a 5-pitch inning for
Who's
Tony
up for
Santillan.
Colorado? 7, 8, 9.
Upstairs miss.
Oh, the Mets. Alright, we have that bet. I can't believe that this is going to go like this, but that was like a bear flag. Let's see if the Mets can do it. I don't have a lot of faith in them. Wow, Milwaukee 5-0. Woo! Who's up? 3, 4, 5.
On deck, Dave Myers came on defensively last inning.
Looks like a
Was
4-5
unhappy
down.
with
1,
viewership
2, 1,
today.
2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Very oversold.
Stevenson thunders to left center.
Wow.
Alonso throws
Missed
it off
that.
the wall. Sprint through second. Stewart stalls at third. Steps on for Willie Harris. A big double by Tyler Stevenson, second and third.
Really good piece of hitting by Tyler Stevenson. That fastball inside part of the plate. And Steve-O gets to it. That was 103 off the bat. McCarthy showing that speed out there. Almost got to it.
Infield in for Dane Myers, who's been getting on base at a high rate. His first big Reds moment came.
Wow, no outs for it's 5-0. Arizona.
Southpaw Myers has
Damn.
not been great with ABS.
We just have no pitching.
And that's a strike.
Pitch is a strike. Cincinnati has one challenge remaining.
He's had a lot of good clutch moments for this team. He had a walk-off winner against the Red Sox. He's done a nice job of getting on base. He is not good at ABS. I think he's now 1 out of 7.
Oh, this is building that that head and shoulders here.
Entering yesterday, I think Jazz Chisholm and 3 others had that exact mark as the worst in the majors.
I wonder if we're going to see a little rollover here. Pittsburgh comeback?
First base open, Steer on deck.
No negative divergence there.
Myers, runner breaks from third, backhand. Flint goes to first. RBI, Dave Myers. Stewart
Who's
scores,
Pittsburgh
steams
got up?
into third.
9-1-2.
2-2
That
on
might
the
be worth a little
2-2.
love. These are always shocking, but I'm going to trade what I
Yeah,
see. I
real
see a
nice
head
job
and
by
shoulders.
Dave
It could
Myers
break
putting
down.
the ball in play right up the middle, and Julian makes a nice play on
Oh,
that
it looks
ball.
like the
Gives
Mets
all the
scored.
chances to throw the ball to first base.
Yeah, the Mets scored.
Marcel Steele
Wow,
goes
go
off
Mets.
on contact.
Spencer Steer, RBI hit, a walk to
Let's try this
score.
Pittsburgh.
That'll be called strike 1.
Oh, they're up now. Come on, baby. Get me in there. Plus 230 on Pittsburgh. Let's see. So
Allen ready.
I'm just playing this head and shoulders here, and Pittsburgh ties it up. This is going to go right. It's going to break down. So let's see if that plays out. Colorado, I think
In
I
the
have to
last
give
couple
up
of
on.
weeks, a few of the dormant bats have been coming to life. That
They
includes
scored
Steer.
again, 2-5. Doesn't
His
mean they
last
can't
11
score
games, including today, over
in the ninth
300.
inning.
He just looks smoother, more comfortable. Seems to be seeing the ball well, putting it in play far more often.
Who's up for Colorado?
Way high.
7, 8, 9.
The lap with the fingers by Bauer.
Mets, go ahead. Look at that. Isn't that great? Sometimes you can't have bias. You got to just trade what you see. So I told you guys innings ago, it looked like a bear flag, and Mets were going to go ahead. Now, I don't know if they're going to win the game, but it did what I thought it was going to do. It,
Steer over short, runner on base,
Another base hit for Cincinnati. Went right to the 38% retrace. See that? And this looked like ABC. And then we got the C down. Milwaukee scored again. Wow, Arizona's oversold.
Tack-on runs are so important. And a hanging slider from Lotnick. Cements has started to really swing the bat well. And keep tacking on, boys.
Will Benson 0 for 3. 2 flyouts, a strikeout. Game 1 of the series, we saw Pagan warm in. It was at 4. Reds expanded that lead. He shut it down.
Here's the Mets.
They did not need to use their closer that day. He still comes in if it's 4, even in a non-save situation. Very one-out low. Good handle by Noonan, but better read by Steer on the wild pitch to take third.
Try Colorado one more time. It's when you give up.
Well, gets all the way to the wall and got to make sure that you get there because, well, it looked right back to the catcher. There was a
Colorado,
third
maybe a little,
base.
maybe 1 run. Arizona looks like 5 down. So we should get some kind of retracement up. Just like that, that's all. But something like that.
2 balls, 2 strikes.
Can't come back from 6-0 in the 4th, 5th inning. They got to score this inning.
Wild pitches are part of what you get with Bob Whitman.
Now maybe this is
Already has
1, 2,
3,
3,
just
4,
12
5, and it goes
innings
right
pitched
back to
for
Washington
Pagan.
because they should beat the Mets. Or it's ABC and we have a B wave up. This is big A, so something like
2
I'll show you.
strikes. Harrell's playing back and off the line with the lefty. Steer has taken some
Like
large
that.
leads off of third base.
And that, and the Mets still
Sandberg
win.
is the pitcher
Or this
on
was
to get
ABC
ready.
and we're going right up. I don't know on that one. This game's over. Wow, Baltimore. Detroit. Game over.
Swung through strike 3. But the Reds add 2 more doubles by Stevenson
Alright,
and Steer.
Colorado.
And the
Let's see if they
timely
can do
ground ball
something
by
for
Dave
Arizona.
Myers.
Chevy, I'd never considered myself an alcoholic, but drinking affected my job, health, and
Maybe,
relationships.
let's see
Powerful
what.
medication helped me take back
I don't
control.
want to give
Now
up
I
on
no longer feel the
Washington.
urge to drink, and the same pill that helped me could help you. Text TD5 to
Be a bounce
777
in
to
here.
learn more.
Guys, stop what you're doing and head over to Fabletics. Because right now, everything's 80%
Colorado has a
off,
little bit of a
including
mini
shirts,
wedge
tees,
there if you can
polos,
see it.
shorts, pants, joggers. Perfect for the gym, office, or golf. Get
Positive
80% off
divergence,
everything at
positive
Fabletics.
divergence, 7, 8, 9. If one of those guys can get on base,
So that's one pair of glasses.
Yep,
get to the
thanks,
top
Mr.
of the
Tom.
order.
Plus anti-reflective lens coating. Oh, scratch-resistant coating.
Did I choose?
UV protection. A
We
word
got
of advice for
Pittsburgh
sunglasses.
now.
That's me.
That's all
Pittsburgh's got
Simply.
9, 1,
Free
2.
returns,
Oh,
free
1 out
exchanges,
already,
and
right?
free
Alright.
frame
Number 9
adjustments for
batter.
life.
And
0 for
how much
3.
more is that?
Oh, it's all
0
included in
for
order
2, 0
price.
for
So my
3.
glasses.
Our sale
These
just
guys
went
are
back
due
down.
for something.
Oh, surprise!
Reynolds has been playing the
I just
best.
get excited.
Looks like most of these games are winding down. We'll focus here on. See if we see any positive. Yeah, there's a big positive divergence there.
Don't know where to start?
I think
Go
I
to Tack
need
Notes.
something on
Get
Washington.
recommendations for all your home projects.
Hopefully
Hard
they're
the
not
right
up
road
yet.
today.
8, 9, 1, Washington. No outs.
Ohio Lottery post-game concert series is back.
Arizona's not doing
Featuring
anything
John
as
Park,
usual.
Marshmello, Rick
Oh
Ross,
man,
and
I'm
Willie
second
Mays.
for Arizona.
Plus
Sweet.
upgraded tickets for an
Pittsburgh is
Trying to
interesting.
preserve this
No?
4-run lead. First pitch, Kyle Karros to left center. That's
Alright,
down
base
for the
hit for
count.
Colorado.
And the Reds did make a defensive change.
Pittsburgh,
Spencer
one
Steer
out
is
already.
out. Keep Ryan
Come
Hayes
on,
is
guys.
in. Hayes now plays third. Sal Stewart over first.
Come on, play this chart
Really
out
didn't
for
know
everyone
where
to
to
see.
begin because I think most of us would agree
We need someone on
Sal's
base.
work
If we get
leading
someone
off
on
at
base,
first
this will
base.
come down,
Steer was
and then
able
it's
to
set up for that
accomplish much
breakdown of
here
his
at
head and
first base.
shoulders.
Well, Steer was the second to last hitter last inning. If the Reds would have to bat, it would be top of the order. First pitch to Julian
And Colorado's,
is
see it,
fouled away.
gave
So
a
the
little,
worst case
that
scenario,
little move up there is
Rockies
that
tie or
single.
take
But
the
you see
lead
the
with
wedge
one
there?
back
That looks
on
pretty
deck.
good
Stewart would be due a
for a
four,
pop.
and his bat is
And then it's
certainly
doing
in
that on a
place.
positive divergence here. Positive divergence here. Washington looks like possible B
0-1.
bounce. It has the positive divergences,
Julian
yep.
pinch hit and got hit by pitch
So,
in the seventh.
Arizona, what do we got on Arizona? Oh man, on first and third, one out for Arizona. Right up here, that's good. That'd be fun. Cause then I can show you guys, yeah, you see how it's moving up because he's made on first and third.
Yeah, nice.
Another pop out. Colorado, man. Come on, man. Should have tucked it, yep, tucked its head right back in.
So now Troy Johnston, who has flied out twice, he's also struck out looking.
This game's over. Houston, forget about. This game was over a long time ago. This still has the head and shoulders. Colorado, forget about it. Washington, not much.
First pitch fouled away.
Pittsburgh, one out. Washington, nobody out. One out, nobody on base.
Up the middle and through.
Ooh, a
No
base hit for
swing.
Colorado, first and second.
To second,
He's
Karros, who
going to
takes
third?
third on a hit first fly.
Oh, okay. First
And
and
the
third,
calls.
one out for Colorado. Arizona's moving up a little, see it? It's first and third, one out.
It's a split.
Oh, this is trying to
Oh,
break
yeah,
out a
see
little
that
bit.
ball down.
Got the ground ball, but obviously where no one can get to it. Hasn't had a lot of opportunities to go out there.
See it? Trying to pop its head out. Let's see if it can break out.
Nicky Moniak pinch hit, struck out looking in the seventh.
That's where you want to see that split down.
2 outs for Pittsburgh. Ah, you guys, come on. 0 for 3. Low. 2 strikes already.
Reds hold on to this lead. Would be their best start through April in 20 years. Cubs are off today. Reds began the day with a half-game lead in the division.
Oh, Arizona scored.
0-1.
Nice.
Swing and a miss.
Cool.
They're trying to
Got
close
that
the
one.
calendar of April in first
Washington
place
didn't do
for
anything.
the first time since 2006.
Come on, Colorado. Give me Colorado. First and third, one out.
0-2 on Moniak.
And then we'll go back here to Washington.
Guided softly over second. It falls for a hit.
Oh,
Johnston
good.
moves to
Colorado,
second.
finally.
Takes third. Karros scores.
Nice. So we got Arizona and Colorado.
So it's a 3-run game with a
Let's just
tying
let
run
this
to take
signal
either
update.
way.
You guys can see the breakout.
Went back to the split again. Another really good pitch down.
There it goes. See? Isn't that cool?
Moniak just digs it out.
Falling wedge with divergences. Pop. We got it. That was a good one. Then Arizona, what do we have? We have 5
One
down.
on base, 3 of which
1,
struck
2,
out.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Harvey
4,
pinch hit and
5.
walked in
Now
the
we should
seventh.
go up. So Arizona might score again. Right here. I think they got. I mean, they got man on second and third, 2 outs. care about this now.
Makes the catch just in
Diamondbacks.
time. Throw goes toward the plate.
Still nothing yet in the series. Vargas at third, Gurriel at second.
See those, that wedge that I see?
One offer at the sinker. That's lead by 18.
And then positive divergence. Positive divergence. I'm putting money on Washington again.
Looking to
I only
walk
did
around
10 bucks.
seven
Yeah,
here.
we got 2, 3, 4. So I'm going Washington. Washington looks really good.
Yeah, he did.
Lost his balance in that swing there.
That's that lower half again. You can tell he's on
Let
small.
me look at this.
That lower half quiet.
Yeah.
Yeah, he just lost his balance. Just couldn't get
Alright.
going.
I'm starving. I gotta have lunch. Colorado. Oh, Pitt. Did Pitt score?
And he's caught looking.
Oh, Pitt scored. Sweet.
Early limits the
Nice.
damage.
Got that too.
Diamondbacks
That
begin
doesn't
the
break the Head
ninth.
and Shoulders.
Oh, Vargas
What's
is
going on with the
close.
Pittsburgh game?
Vargas still alive. Vargas has hit it 26 in a row. He's matched Gordy on the all-time run
Yeah, we're
total.
doing pretty good today. Let's get over to
Gentlemen,
Pittsburgh.
the Kerr family has been a trusted name in Arizona dairy and farming, and for generations,
Two outs,
each
man on
family
first.
has trusted Samson. Visit them during their anniversary sale and say bye to your
7th
uncle
inning.
for just
There's still time for
$20.
Pittsburgh to break this Head and Shoulders. You guys see it?
Less than a dime an inch.
I think Pitt might win.
License Portland 150 STX. Starting as low
We
as
got,
$2.99
shoulder
a month.
here,
If you're in the market for a new
shoulder,
Porsche, check
the
out
head there,
Sam's. Been trusted for over 70 years.
shoulder
Sam's
here.
Portland.
See that?
Sometimes they go the distance.
Oh, wow. This is going to be a good call. Pittsburgh to win.
An epic slice. A tasty, savory, crispy pepperoni and sausage, garlic sauce crust, and a Parmesan sprinkle. Some say overdid it. We say Magnifico. Try our full Magnifico lineup at Marco's.
Every hit bugs us, but only large investors are getting the consistent bond fund performance everyone deserves. So, Vanguard made institutional quality bond funds relevant to everyone. With experts scrutinizing thousands of bonds and implementing repeatable strategies to maximize returns. In fact, 90% of Vanguard's active bond funds outperform their peers.
Let's go back to 95.
Vanguard. Discipline matters.
Head and shoulders. I like this wedge on Washington and Arizona might. Yeah, so on Arizona, what we could have here is this was A,
6-1
this is
right
B,
now.
and we're still going to get one more
In this
pop in
game
Arizona.
for the D-backs.
Who's up for
Keep
Arizona?
it going.
Good comparisons early, but
9-1-2. I'm doing again, Arizona.
Well, early on in this game, and then again, second at bat, same pitch, almost same location, and he punched the ball this time. And Scorp looking on, not happy with that result.
Soroka, who struggled so much against left-hand hitters this year, gives up 3 RBIs to right-hand batters.
Wait for that one to pop up.
David Hamilton, the shortstop.
Oh, this looks amazing. Washington. Washington is going to go ahead.
69 pitches through 3, and there's strike one.
I think it's going to happen next inning.
Contreras has been a Diamondback killer
This
of
is a
late.
really nice setup.
8
Put
home
this in
runs
the
against
chat.
left. Now has 25. Contreras got 25 RBIs in 25 career games against the D-backs.
A big problem.
Getting bigger.
Bouncing off the neckline.
This is just not Soroka's day as Hamilton dumps it into right, a leadoff single to make it 7 hits now for Milwaukee.
They just can't figure out something to get these left-handed hitters out.
Cooper on the run. I mean, not hit real hard, 79 miles an hour, but still, it's a line drive. And, because Candy the Brewers have so many left-hand bats, they can punch at least 6 in there in 11 if they want. Milwaukee Brewers not the greatest matchup ever for Soroka. He also can't keep the ball moving.
That's right.
Here's the other lefty, Garrett Mitchell, the leadoff hitter. He's walking 5 out.
And on top of that, they're left-handed hitters, but they're more contact hitters, and so they're quick to bat on the ball. And then there's ground balls they can beat out, or they just happen to go the other way, but a lot of them can hit the ball the other way on them.
Especially the Brewer batters, a lot of these guys got really run too. Arenado in half the 8th inning.
I'm playing that Head and Shoulders.
Oh, this is going to challenge. Nick Escobar saying James McCann is challenging the call.
Arizona bet yet. That's weird. Still waiting to see if they score more. Let's see what the chart looks like. Probably tanked again. Yeah, still holding. Oh! Oh no. Went off the pitcher. They can't catch a break, these D-backs.
I mean, even with Hampton running on that, that ball's hit hard. They're put up in the middle of the field. It's probably going to be a double play.
That was a nice Detroit comeback.
Yeah.
Detroit's a good team.
That's just the way things are going for them.
I think the Cardinals will get faster first and third, and on that, you got Durant with Burns and Bowers.
This is the sharp end of the stick. 8 hits, 4 of them on Dale, and 6 earned runs for Reyes. Runs scored 4 in both of them. They're really lucky.
Mets.
Let's see if Mitchell gets enough over the top
Mets.
to take off.
Alright, be back in a few. Oh, back testing. So we broke out. Back test. It should zoom. Washington should score here. And Arizona. Ah, I don't know. Maybe that was the fifth.
Feels confident to
Let's
go to the
see.
changeup even though he's behind in the count because he has such good feel for it.
Got a nice setup
Can't
there.
hit everything here too
I don't know if Arizona's gonna do it, but they got 8-9-1 up. We got a new game coming online now too. This game's over. We busted the head and shoulders. That's lame.
Nice hit.
Ah, what a nice setup. All right. That's how it goes. Oh, is that a home run, Washington? Yeah, baby, get out of here. Woo! Cool. I had 20 bucks on that. Awesome. That was great. Look at this. Watch what's going to happen on this chart once we get the update. Woo! Alright, I think that's it. I'm going to go have some lunch now for a little bit and come back. Oh yeah, baby. I bet 20 bucks on that. New high today. So, lots of trades.
The way CJ came out of the box, it looked like he
It's,
knew as soon as he hit it.
about 40-something% on the day. Beautiful. Look at that, guys. Look at this. What a call. Awesome.
Here's a swing from Abrams. You can see it's a changeup. It's further up in the zone than he wants. Catches way too much plate. Yeah, he knows when he hits
That was
it.
beautiful.
As well too.
I just love to hear that crack of the bat.
Weaver was trying to throw the same changeup, and he was able to get the 3-6
So I
out.
took Washington the inning before for $10 at 270, and then I doubled it because the chart still looked good, and I won all my money back. I won $54 on that bet, so I easily covered the $10 loss. And like I told you, the Mets were not going to win that game. That was great calls. I need to be on TV. Someone put me on ESPN. Someone put me on something. Polymarket Sports. I need to be on it. I'm going to study for my CMT. I'm studying for my CMT. I'm going to be the first CMT in sports. That's what it's going to be. I got to get this test done. All right. So what do I have open? Pittsburgh. Oh, I want to do the D-backs. I think. Let me just look at the D-backs one more time. They're going to wait to get through this inning. Oh, there we go. All right, one more bet. D-backs. All right, that was great. That was exciting. Diamondbacks.
Retired the final 13 batters of the ball game. The bullpen was towering last night. Bauer scooches to left center. Alan Thomas threatening to go to right field. And a herd of runners with no hold. And then, oh, look at this by Turang. He sneaks into third.
That's a smart baseman. You saw the ball being caught by Al Thomas, and he just kind of nonchalantted the ball into Perdomo, and Turang read that and got himself over to third base. So he goes back to tag, and he watches Thomas. Just kind of a nonchalant throw. And he saw that, read it, and got into third base.
Turang's got the speed to pull that off. Contreras backs up at first, but Turang gets the 390.
All right, let's go back. Yeah, this Diamondbacks. I only put a couple bucks on it because I'm up for the day so far, pretty nicely.
That, what we saw with Turang is what you see a lot with Perdomo, and you see with Corbin Carroll. On-base
We'll
guys
just
who
watch
read
this
that
one.
play and uses his
I
legs.
really don't have much more to look at. Pitt, we busted. Yeah, it's all over now. All right, we'll come back and maybe I'll do a live stream for basketball later. I will. When is the first basketball game on? Let's see. NBA, 4 o'clock. All right. 3-4 hours. I'll come back on. We'll do the NBA. I'm gonna keep this Arizona up for right now, and we'll see. If they can do something. There's what, man, on first and third, one out.
Supposed to go into the swing as a 4. Swings and misses last over.
Double play. All right, D-backs are up. All right, we'll see what happens this inning. I'll keep the chart on there for you guys to watch, and we'll see if it moves. Let's zoom in. Let's see if I can zoom in so you guys can see it.
For those who want to remind much better deals for $4.49. Choose between a junior jumbo jack meal or a junior chicken sandwich meal.
There we
Some
go.
say
All right.
keep the change. I say keep the change. Visit Jack for a chance to win 75K.
Open it up, Doc.
Okay, plumber's fixing that first pipe. You should be all set.
Good thing you're protected 24/7 with your home and auto bundle from Progressive.
Oh, sorry. I was just trying to figure out the right caption to post about this. Maybe something like, I have protection just for me like that.
What about that emoji with a shocked face?
Or maybe flooded with emotion.
That's too much. Try another. Tuesday's incredible.
You know, technically you don't have to post everything that happens online.
like a base hit.
You know what? I was watching it with a crowd, and they
Game
started to
over.
run. It's soaked in buzz.
Game over.
It's amazing. You get like 10 pounds for 10 bucks.
And that's it. Let's just see this
The
third
Phillies
out.
up 4-2. Man,
I'll
Drummond
shut her
threw
down
out
for
one
today.
Reggie Musgrove
Till I
pitched.
come back, Arizona already out.
But can
2
we get?
outs.
I want to see a little bit Drummond shot here
Marte,
in the
you can
postseason.
do
I love
something. 2
that
strikes
pitch.
already?
That was
Jesus
like
Christ,
a
guys.
band moving, like cinematic stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Moving it? Yeah.
Alright.
Great
So
Good day.
far, no
3
walks, no
strikes.
runs, but the
Alright,
pitch
guys.
is like a feel. What
I'll
about
catch you
Drummond?
later.
So let's, I don't know if we can raise that on a
Hope some
video or
people
what, but
watched. Take care.